Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. Then again 19 minus 6 is equal to also 13. Now 13 multiply 13 is equal to 169. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So it's equal to 19 minus 6. Now solve this parenthesis. 19 minus 6 is equal to 13. Okay, now here is multiplication and here is subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Okay, then we have to solve subtraction. So is equal to 19 minus, now 13 multiply 6. Okay, so 13 multiply 6 is equal to 78. Now 78, now the expression become 19 minus 78. So 19 minus 78 is equal to, the answer is minus 59. So the correct answer is minus 59. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.